Google Gemini text-to-image tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to utilize Gemini, Google's new AI chat, to generate some images. So basically, you have your prompt area over here. Now you could engage in normal conversation with Gemini, or you could actually ask Gemini to generate an image by simply asking and using words such as please generate an image of and then the topic. So let's try it out over here. Please, fix our spelling, please generate a cat running on a rainbow. Then you could specify the style that you want, make it look cartoonish and high in colors, or rather make it have bright colors, something like that. Then click on enter, and Gemini will recognize your input that you said please generate a cat. Oh, we forgot to add the term photo, but I think Gemini will still be able to recognize that we want to have a photo, and there we go, we have generated an image over here. As you can see, as long as your grammar or your text hints to generating a photo, Gemini will generate it for you. And if you want to generate more, you can easily click that, the generate more button, and it will generate more photos for you. And if you want to change something, so let's say make it into an anime style, maybe like One Piece, something like that, and it will generate you an output again, but with the specific request that you want. So let's see the output that we will be able to get, and let's see if it's accurate. Now, as you can see, sometimes it's not going to work. As you can see, it will tell you we are working to improve Gemini's ability to generate image of people. So you're going to have to try again, I guess, and you will still be able to generate good images just like this one, but expect that you will be able to get responses like this one as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.